Hello, my dear children. How are you all? Good? Okay. All of you, please be safe at your home. Our situation is being very crucial nowadays. Did you remember the topic that we studied in our last session? Okay, then tell me. Yes, in our last class, we discussed about the impact of British rule in India and Gandhiji's struggle movement Satyagraha. Now you know the reason why Gandhiji led Satyagraha against British, right? Then say the reason louder. Yes, Britishers ruled India by threatening and killing Indians. Threatening means frightening. Because of this harassment and injustice, harassment means cruelty. Because of this cruelty and injustice of British rulers, Gandhiji encouraged the Indians to stand united for the fight against British. So, this was the reason for leading Satyagraha against British rulers. Now you know about the meaning of Satyagraha. What is the meaning of Satyagraha? Yes, holding on to truth. So, in order to fight against British rulers, Gandhiji led 3 main Satyagrahas. Did you know which are they? Okay, teacher will tell you. First Satyagraha is Champaran Satyagraha. Second one, Kheda Satyagraha. And third one, Ahmedabad Textile Mill Strike. Once more. First one, Champaran Satyagraha. Second, Kheda Satyagraha. And third one, Ahmedabad Textile Mill Strike. Now we are going to study about the first Satyagraha. What is the first Satyagraha? Yes, Champaran Satyagraha. Champaran is a small village in Bihar, and most of the peoples in this village were farmers. These farmers were forced to cultivate indigo plant in their own fields. Did you know what are indigo plants? Okay, this is the indigo plant. The flowers of indigo plants are dark blue in color. The farmers in Champaran were forced to cultivate this indigo plant in their fields. Did you know why the Britishers forced Indians to cultivate indigo plant in their fields? Because this indigo plant is used for making dye for cotton clothes. Dye means a substance which is used for making color for clothes. And this dye is used for making blue jeans. This indigo dye had a good commercial value, so the British rulers earned more and more money by selling this indigo dye. Because of this reason, British rulers forced the Indian farmers to cultivate this indigo plant in their fields. After that, British landowners charged more and more taxes after each harvest of this indigo plant. So, the peasants of Champaran village were in great misery. Peasants means farmers. Farmers of this Champaran village were in great misery. Misery means great distress, because the farmers have to pay more and more taxes after each harvest of this indigo plant. So the farmers became more and more debt-ridden. Debt-ridden means financial difficulty. By paying more taxes to British rulers, most of the farmers in Champaran village were in great distress because they didn't get enough money to pay the taxes for the British rulers. So that there occurs a financial difficulty to the farmers. By hearing about farmers' this poor condition, Gandhiji and his followers reached Champaran and organized a satyagraha struggle against the British rulers. This is known as Champaran Satyagraha. As a result of this Champaran Satyagraha, the British rulers signed an agreement in which they granted compensations to the farmers and cancelled more taxes. After the grand success of this movement, Gandhiji is being called as Mahatma. Is it clear to you all? We have to study 2 more satyagrahas that we can discuss in our next class. All of you must read your textbook. That's all for today. Thank you.